Hello friends, in this video I am going to share some of the deadly pandemics happen in this world, and the first one is SARS-CoV-2 or severe acute respiratory syndrome. It is a type of influenza family virus, and this virus is related to RNA viruses that infects mostly in the mammals and birds. In humans, these viruses cause respiratory tract infections, and this ranges from mild to the severe illnesses like common cold to headache, fever, dry cough, shortness of breath, muscle and joint pains, sore throat, vomiting, and diarrhea. This novel coronavirus is similar to the SARS-CoV-1 pandemic which happened in 2003, and these are all the wide varieties of influenza viruses which varies from H1N1 to H10N7 like swine flu H1N1, Spanish flu H1N1 and Asian flu H2N2, Hong Kong flu H3N5 and bird flu H5N1. This species of coronavirus is first identified in 1905 in USA and UK. The new pandemic was first identified in Wuhan, China, in Hubei province. There is no specific treatment for these viruses, and the antiviral medication such as hydroxychloroquine or dexamethasone is given based on the symptoms. These are mainly transmitted through the droplets made by the infected person when coughing, sneezing and talking. The incubation period of this virus is 14 days. This virus infected over 11.3 millions all over the world, and approximately 5.3 lakh deaths have happened so far. Initial cases are first identified in the wet markets of Wuhan, China. Although there are several doubts regarding the outbreak of this virus from the laboratory of virology in the Wuhan, China, there is no particular evidence for the claim. So before going to know the pandemics in detail, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon.
Basically, a virus is a submicroscopic infectious agent that replicates only inside the living cells of an organism. Virus can infect all type of life forms from plants to animals and microorganisms. Virus size ranges from 30 nanometers to 450 nanometers. It exists in the form of independent particles consisting of genetic materials like long molecules of DNA or RNA encoded with the protein code. Study of virus began in the end of 19th century. Although Louis Pasteur and Edward Jenner developed the first vaccine to protect against viral infections. Now I have listed some of the viruses. Let's see in detail. Marburg viruses. This virus outbreaks in the year 1967. The incubation period of this virus is 2 to 29 days. The death rate during this virus outbreak was 50%. First outbreak occurred among laboratory in Germany who were exposed to infected monkeys imported from Uganda. High fever, bleeding throughout body, organ failures are the symptoms of this virus. This virus firstly found in Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, Angola, Kenya, South Africa. Currently, no specific treatment or vaccine for this virus. This virus transmitted through direct contact with infected person's blood and body fluids. The next virus is Ebola virus. This virus discovered in the year 1976. The incubation period of this virus is 2 to 21 days and the death rate was 50%. The first outbreak occurred through infected monkeys, baboons, chimpanzees, gorillas and transmitted through bats. The symptoms of this virus are high fever, headache, vomiting, blood, internal bleeding. Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda are the outbreak locations. Vaccine for this virus are under development, and the virus transmits when we have direct contact with the infected person's blood or body fluids. The next virus is hantavirus. During 1993, this virus spread all around the world. 9 to 36 days are the incubation period. The death rate was 38%. Human may infected with hantavirus through contact with rodents' urine, saliva, feces, and first outbreak noticed in northeast China. Coughing, short of breathing, headaches, vomiting, and diarrhea are the symptoms. This virus initially discovered in China, Sweden, South Korea, North Korea, and South Africa. There is no specific vaccine but immunotherapy given to neutralize antibodies. Now we'll see about dengue. This virus initially found during 1950s. The incubation period is 4 to 10 days and the death rate is 20%. Dengue fever is caused by the spread of mosquitoes or originated in monkeys and spilled into humans 800 years ago. High fever, headache, body pains, fatigue, and bleeding are the symptoms. This virus found in tropical and subtropical Africa, Central and South America, South and Southeast Asia. There is no specific vaccine found, but an antiviral medication will be given as per symptoms. This virus spread through mosquitoes. Now we'll see about rabies virus. This virus outbreaks in 1920s and the incubation period is 60 to 90 days. 99% of infected people died during this outbreak. Laissez virus is a neurotropic virus mainly transmitted by rabies animals bite, especially dogs, cats, and cows. Symptoms of this virus are itches, headache, loss of appetite, tiredness, and coma. Outbreak locations are Asia, Africa, Central and South America. Rabies immune globulin, an antiviral drug, is the vaccine for this virus. And this virus transmits through saliva, body fluids, infected animals. Now we'll see about plague. This is spread in 14th century. 2 to 6 days is the incubation period and the death rate is 30 to 60%. Plague is caused by Yersinia pestis, a zoonotic bacteria spread by rats. Fever, weakness and headache are the symptoms. This virus found in Democratic Republic of Congo, Madagascar, Peru and some parts of Asia, Africa and Central America. Attenuated Yersinia vaccine is used for plague. This virus transmits by air via infected persons' droplets. The next one is cholera. This bacterium covered in 1930. The death rate was 50 to 60%. It is an infectious disease that caused by eating food contaminated with bacterium called Vibrio cholera. Symptoms are diarrhea, dehydration and vomiting. This virus initially found in some parts of Africa, South Asia, Latin America. Vax cholera is the only cholera vaccine approved by FDA. The next virus is HIV, human immunovirus. This is also called as AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Outbreak of this virus was on 1980s. 7 to 28 days is the incubation period and the death rate was 20%. A scientist identified a type of chimps in Western Africa as a source of HIV. Luc Montagnier, 2008. Fatigue, fever, sore throat and weight loss are the symptoms of this virus. This virus found for the first time in Central and Western Africa. There is no specific treatment or vaccine for this virus. This virus exposed through infected blood, breast milk, sex. Now we'll see about smallpox. This virus outbreaks in the year 1980. The incubation period is 12 to 14 days and the death rate was 30%. Variola major and variola minor are the two viruses responsible for smallpox. Symptoms are fever, vomiting, mouth sore, and skin rashes. This virus spreads worldwide: USA, UK, Canada, Europe, and Asia. ACAM 2000 drug issued as vaccine, which is found by EJ. This virus transmits by having direct contact with the infected person or cloths and other things used by the infected person.